So since our three projects have the same architecture, we may choose this one, for example, to see how we customize the logo look. So to import your logo, just double click here and suppose it's this one and click open. Then go to the drag your logo comp here and just drag it down. Then just press S for scale it down. I hope you scale it down because it's better to have a high resolution logo and hide the other one. You may also want to use the title here. Just resize it and and type whatever you want. But let's stick with the image for now, and then go to the scene edit. Scene setup, sorry, and voila, you see already your logo is there. And go select this logo layer and go to the effect controls. Don't be afraid about all these tools because you may not want to use them all. It just give you the ability to do whatever look you want. So let's start by this first one, activate the slice logo. So you may disable it to see your logo and slice it. Okay, and then you have the size, the extrude value, the bevel value, and here you have this one is about the middle extrude. So we have the activated or not here, and you have the size of the extrude. The positive value will make it go into the logo, so you may want to go to half resolution. You see it's inside the logo, and a negative value will make it go out. Okay, so let's stay with the positive value. I want to go inside the logo. You have also the color, you can play with it. Suppose a nice red here, not red. I like it. You have here the texture. It's this bump texture over your logo. You can play with the value of it. The softness, let's get rid of the softness. I like it sharp. Yes. The texture overlay, you may want to see the texture of your logo. Yes, like this. See, it's a nice look. The ambient is about just enlighten your logo without the surface, without the sides. The specular is the specular, so you can play with the value. It's the enlightening of some part of your logo depending of the light position. So just don't go crazy with the values here because it may be overexposed. And here you have the fill color in case you want to choose another color for your logo. And once it's set, I can play with the intensity of it. Yes, why not? Maybe more gray and less green. Yes, I like it. Maybe 80. Yeah, and then you have the side specular. Just raise it up to see what it does. It's just raise the specular on the sides only. You have the brightness. Right here it's minus 50. Let's make it minus 30 and see that it will be enlightened more. Just the sides, you see. You can play with the lighting of the side. It's here with the side brightness. You have also side tint. Let's pick this color here to give it the same tint, sorry, and play with intensity like 50. See what it does. Yeah, but no, maybe 100 to get rid of the yellow hair, and then get rid of the minus brightness, and maybe a lighter color here, and see what we got. Okay, not bad. And beware, just by changing the tint of the sides, you will change the tint also of the middle extrude. So just know this, and let's go back to fill intensity to 0 to see the original colors. Yes, and you have also a glow of your logo. You can play with the settings and change also the value of the glow level. It's the sensibility of the glow over your bright parts and dark parts. So the more value it is, the less sensibility it will have. If I make it 0, for example, all the logo will glow up like this. And so just play with the settings. Depend on your logo, of course. For now, let's make it 50, for example, just to see what it does here. As you see, we have the glow effect only here on this bright part. Then you have the environment texture of the logo. It's better, we see it better when it's animated. You can play with its value. You have the environment desaturation. You can here choose to use your environment map that you imported or not. You can here play with the reflections. It's this, let's increase this value to be able to see it better. It's this kind of line that separates light part from dark parts. So I made give a nice look. That's 20 for now. You have the shadows projection. It's the value, it's the length of the shadows here. Let's get back to 85. You have also the shadows opacity. See, very useful tools to help you to have whatever look you want. See, you have also the bright parts color. What's this? It's about the sliced logo. So this this tool also is specific for the sliced logo. So let's get this sliced version. We'll wait it to render. Voila. When the logo appears, you see that you have here another color of this original, and you can here change the color of this part. Make it blue, for example. You see, and if you do not want it to be enlightened by color, you can just turn it to black, and the logo will have its own color while it's animated. But believe me, it gives a nice look, so just try it. Okay, and I think that's it for the logo. You see, no big deal.